Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw some Christmas ball together. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw 3 large circles in different positions on your sheet. Draw a rectangle and a small semicircle for the hook of each ball. Draw 3 vertical lines for the string holding the balls. Wow! Our design is taking shape! Draw a star inside the first Christmas ball. Draw an elongated square inside the circle and then draw its edge. Draw 2 horizontal lines in the second circle. Draw the upside-down letter M, shape at the top of the circle, and the letter M, shape at the bottom. Now draw 3 small squares in the central part. Draw 2 semicircles at the bottom of the third ball and 2 semicircles at the top. Draw a small circle in the center and 4 small triangles, like I do. Our decoration turned out really well! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use indigo for the hook of each ball. Color the base of the hook with blue. Use yellow for the star, the letter M, and the semicircles. Use orange for the border of the square, for the 3 small squares, and for the 2 triangles. Color the inside of the balls with red, like I do. Use purple for the outside of the Christmas bubbles. And use green for the 2 triangles, the small circle, and the central band. Wow! Our Christmas bubbles are ready to be hung! Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!